Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Okay, good morning everyone. We are from group 2 which will show our discussion talks today. Before I will to introduce myself, my name is Eliza Hartati as the moderator today and the pro-person of my team, Widya Cindiani, Dina Mustika, and Utami. Okay, after we introduce ourselves, we will immediately show the final project, the course Technology, Ancient Language Learning or TEL, and we choose to use Webtoon technology for reading skill. Okay, my first speaker. Today I'm here to talk to you about technology is Webtoon. Webtoons is a collection of storytelling pictures published online or webcomics as well can access via Android, laptop, tablet, and others profit that they are connected to the internet. So, by using the Webtoon application, of course, this will make it easier for us when we want to read because it can be read anywhere via a mobile phone and placed with a signal. Webtoon was original deployment in South Korea, which was founded by Kim Jun-koo in 2004 and then expanded to other countries such as Indonesia. With the deployment of Webtoon throughout the country, this is why Webtoon can use any language. We can choose which language when we want reading. And why Webtoon also entered Indonesia? Because Indonesia has the large number of internet users from all over the world. That is the reason Webtoon is so easily recognized quickly by the public, especially teenagers. And then Webtoon can create learning is more interesting because it is approached with the time and can divert the use of the internet in the direction unparable. Therefore, Webtoons can be developed as media interactive learning reading skill. So, Webtoons are very interesting. That's what motivates students to read because they like and are in line the time, and this is the reason for improving reading skill. Okay, after I'm explaining about the Webtoon, the second speaker is Widya Cindiani. Please welcome.
Okay, thank you for moderator, and I want to explain today is how to use Webtoon. The first is the teacher conducts face-to-face learning with students, and the teacher display material from the Webtoon via Google Map or Zoom and others, and then a student are asked to listen, understand the material present, and finally, the teacher explained how to use the Webtoon application to students. So, the teacher gave an explanation to students with face-to-face to Google Meet or Zoom and face-to-face in the class, and then learning through either the Zoom application, a comic downloaded from the Webtoon is displayed. After listening to our saying a comic that is displayed, students are asked understand simple conversations gradually until they are finished through the picture and they have a read. After that, the students are asked to explain again what the student say and the student read. After that, students are given an explanation that Webtoon and application and the Webtoon can be downloaded from Google Play, and I'm going to explain a demonstration on Webtoon. Create username and then visit links, and fill in all the data in the registration form, and don't forget to also fill in nickname to create a username. After that, click on the sign up button and press the confirm button on the confirmation email pop up and do a verification email. After that, how to sign in, and you open back a URL, and the last, enter your email and password at the time of registration, and then click the sign in button. So, the student make the username is done the first time you registration on Webtoon. So this is so to create a Webtoon from number 1 until number 7, and then after that you will be give two option. The first is namely you want to go directly to the Webtoon home, and then if you want to go to account, then click the go to account setting. Okay, this is my explanation, and back to the moderator.
Okay, thanks to the second speaker for explaining how to use Webtoon Media and demonstration Webtoon. Then we ask the third speaker to please welcome.
Okay, next, let me start with some general information on the strength of the Webtoon. There is some strength of the Webtoon. First, Webtoon can be translated into all language. So, from that we can more easy to understand our reading with our language. And the second, Webtoon application can help to get new vocabulary. Of course, every we read the Webtoon, so we get a new vocabulary from that. More often we read, and the more vocabulary we get it. And the third, the Webtoon can improving our imagination. The people who have high imagination will be more authentic in achieving our goals. High imagination power can also enable you to become a fiction writer. And then the Webtoon can strengthen our memory, of course. And the last, Webtoon can sharpen our creativity. With reading on Webtoon, our creativity will also to be trained, because we would like to try to draw one of the characters in it. Okay, those are all a little explanation from me from strength of the Webtoon. Next, I will return it to the moderator.
Okay, thanks to the third speaker, and the next speaker, Paul, please welcome.
Okay, let me start with some general information on weakness Webtoon. Number 1, the content is not long enough so that perhaps the entire substance of the material is not conveyed. So, the weakness of the Webtoon is that the content of the material is not long enough, making it difficult for students who read it to guess the material profit. Number 2, requires data packages and students must use Android. This Webtoon also requires a lot of internet packages which makes it difficult for students in village to get the internet signal. Number 3, the lack of color illustration and unconstrained conversation are still brief. And the color on the Webtoon are not bright, only give black and white. The conversation in the are also few and short. Okay, that's a little explanation from me about some weakness of the Webtoon. Next, I will return into the moderator.
Okay, next I will to say conclusion. A webtoon is an online comic application that can be read anywhere. A webtoon can be accessed with laptops, mobile phone, computers, and iPads. In webtoon learning media, it is very suitable for teenagers and children because the story is confined by beautiful picture interesting. Of course, this webtoon can improve reading skills. It can also be accessed on the web because webtoons are online application that we can access anywhere. The next I will give you suggestion. The first, the influence of webtoon on students in improving reading skill is very effective. The second, webtoons also profit students with motivation and memory in memorizing new vocabulary. And the last, with webtoons, students can read anywhere, anytime, and become a means of improving reading skill. Okay, that is our final explanation. I think that's enough presentation today. Sorry if there is a mistake in delivering our presentation. That's all about our today's presentation. Thank you for watching.
Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.